Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to start a series of videos about Windows and how to use it in the better, easy and more comfortable way. A lot of people has been sending me messages because they feel intimidated about how Windows 10 do performance. But let me show you guys how easy it is and how amazing and how nice you can work in Windows and be one of the super users in Windows 10. Let's jump on it, and like I say, more videos to come. Today I'm starting a series of videos about using Windows 10. I know a lot of people have been confused, and in my daily job, I get a lot of questions on how to use Windows 10 and shortcuts and easy ways to get used to Windows. One of the main concerns about Windows is looking for apps for the programs. A lot of people, the traditional way, you click the star button and you have all the apps and you scroll down until you find the one you're looking for. The easy way, you know the name of the program, you don't need to be looking for it. Just go ahead and click on your keyboard the logo symbol of Windows, which is the start button with this symbol right here. Click on it and just type the name of the program that you want to use. In this case, let's see, you want to use Excel, right? And automatically Windows will show you the all the apps there are under the name Excel. You find the Excel, click enter, and there we go. Open your Windows. Another one, Windows is smart to the point that it will remember you last and the more often softwares that you've been using in your computer. And it not just only for apps, as to control your computer too. Let's say you want to go to control panel and you click and you want to look for control panel or you want to look for printers. Go ahead and type the key and type control panel. There we go. It shows up right there. And you enter and you have all the control panels. The same way with any of this, any other apps on the control panel, you can look for it. You click here and see printers. You look for printers and scanners. Click enter, and it will take you straight to where your printers and scanners are. Another question that I get to a lot is default programs. You know, when you open, let's see, Microsoft Edge, and it tell you want to make it as a default, or you open Chrome and it make you as a default. One of the easy ways is you can just tell it from the beginning which app you want to use for different things. Like I said, let's practice again. We use our key, we type default apps. There we go, default apps. And now only type DEFA and we found default apps. Click on it. And here are defaults. What do you want to open when you to send an email? You click here and you choose which app you want to use. In this case, I use Outlook. So Outlook is my default. For maps, we have the map for Windows. We don't have a third-party map at this time. Photos, the same thing. You want to open Photos. What to use when you click in Photos. And you select Paint, Adobe Illustrator, whatever software you have installed on your computer and you that are you prefer. Video player, in this case I have VLC media player. Browser, web browser. I have Chrome, but you can select Internet Explorer, Firefox, any software that you have installed in your computer that is for web browser. It will show you right here in the list, and you will choose which one you want to use. You have the option to reset to all the Microsoft recommended defaults, which is going to be all the Microsoft products. Here you have the apps and features, all the apps you want to install and remove. Another question that I get to is, how do I know what's running in the back? Yes, few different ways you can do it. You can use the traditional Control-Alt-Enter, Control-Alt-Delete, or you can just here, like I said again, type right here, and you go Task Manager. There we go, Task Manager, and it'll take you to all apps, all the performance. You can see all the performance of your computer, the apps history, the startup, all the software that runs in the beginning of the Windows, the users, and all the details and services all in one place. So my main idea to show you guys is, instead of you going here and look everywhere which app you want to go, you just simply go by clicking in the keyboard, the logo, and type what you're looking for. No matter what it is, you can type screensaver. And here it'll take you to the control panel, the section that turn screensaver on and off. It'll take you straight to the control panel and to the part where you want to do the changes. Like I said, this is my first video about tutorial about using Windows 10. I would appreciate if you guys subscribe, because there was more videos to come. And go ahead and send me a question. Ask me what would you like to know about Windows 10. Windows 10 is a really extensive operation system, and it has too many things that we can do. You can play with it. You can make it really fun to use Windows 10, really easy to use Windows 10. Go ahead and leave a comment, subscribe, like my video, and like I say, if you have any questions, go ahead and do it, and we can make a video for it. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you again hopefully in the next couple days with another video. Thank you so much, and have a good day.